Unless you plan on getting oiled up, flexing on stage, and winning gold medals, genetics don't matter. Everyone has the ability to sculpt an amazing body. Most people grossly overestimate the role they play into actually transforming your body. Forget what you believe about genetics and let me show you something. Good genetics gets you fast results, but you're not racing anyone. Who cares if it takes you just a little more time? The issue today is people have no patience. Who cares how fast you're going if the goal is to get from A to B? You're not racing anyone. I promise you, regardless of your genetics, if you put in the hard work with the right strategy, you will see substantial results. The first 4 years was me making a bunch of mistakes, not giving my full effort, and clinging on to harmful lifestyle choices. And by the way, I am in fact playing while recording. Yeah, I can't play while talking. Remember, if you half-ass the work, you better expect half-ass results. First, focus on good technique. Pick the foundational lifts like bench press, squat, deadlift, and master their technique so not only you do them safely, but you actually properly work the target muscles. This will make sure you avoid any muscle imbalances down the line of doing years of bad form. Don't be a perfectionist, but still try to keep that form relatively clean. Pushing yourself to the max is first priority under good technique. Good, not perfect, good. Next, find and stick to a solid routine that you can hit consistently. In the beginning, you should experiment with the 3 most proven splits: full body, upper lower, and some form of push-pull legs, PPL. Now generally for beginners, I do not recommend PPL despite it being the most popular and famous split, because you're training 3 days in a row and then 1 day rest, 3 days in a row, 1 day rest. So you're training 6 days a week. For the average person, me included, that's actually a lot of work. And you're also doing a lot of volume in there too, when you're just following standard PPL. So if you're a beginner, I'd recommend this one the most. This one's a great second option. And as you start to get more advanced, as your recovery demands grow, you might find PPL starting to be more suitable for you. If you found this video helpful, you should check out my free guide, which is essentially a blueprint on achieving your fitness goals. It describes the right mindset, the fundamentals of bodybuilding, and it has some instructions at the end on how to optimize your routine and overcome any plateaus. Thanks for watching.